In today's video, as part of the year-long Moments to Enjoy, February's bundle, Living in the Present Moment. Hi everyone, Kat here, and welcome to February's bundle. Thank you for the ones that supported me last month in buying January's bundle. I hope you enjoyed it. This month's theme is Living in the Present Moment. Almost every year, everyone feels that January is longer than the 31 days. I think it's because it was doled out into 5 weeks instead of our usual 4 weeks months that we're used to. Now, we only have 28 days, and I'm filming this on the 5th day of February, so it will probably even seem shorter. But remember, when you buy these bundles, that you can use them any time of the year. You don't have to just use it for February. So I'm going to show you how I started to use the bundle in my journal here, and then also the ones that I haven't cut out. In January, I had to show you on the computer because I already started using my set. For $10, this is what you're receiving, and each month it's going to be $10 except for the first 3 days of the sale when I post it. To know when it's going up in my shop, follow me over on Instagram for the details. So this month's bundle is showing how we need to figure out a way of just staying present. I know there's a lot going on in the world today, and there's a lot of stress people are feeling through social media, and I'm one of those people that are stressed out, trying to be positive all the time. So I thought this would be a neat way to try to keep ourselves centered just for those moments. For the things I'm going to show you today, you'll get 3 files. Okay, you will have a total of 4 files. One of them is going to be 3 pages, which I'm going to show you. And then the other file is going to be 6 different 3x4 cards. But what I do is I print them all out on one sheet to shrink them down to fit in my traveler's notebook. So let's get started. The first thing that you will get in this month's bundle is I decided to write a letter, and I'm putting my hand on it because I want you to be surprised and enjoy the letter while you when you purchase it. So this is one of the sheets. The next sheet is the headers that I created, and I decided to take 5 topics, and I'm going to show you in my traveler's notebook how I use these. And I already pre-put them in on the pages, and the reason I did that is that I didn't want like, oh yeah, I need to put this in. When I turn to that page and I read the header, then I know I can journal a little about each of them. So I thought these were 5 phrases that might keep us in the present moment. Today I was present when. Next time I will. I look forward to. I noticed. And this made me smile. And then the last page in the first cutting file you'll get is that you're going to get the prompts for February. I'm kind of covering them up because I want them, again, to be a surprise, but I want to explain that you will get them. Up until now, I've been doing free prompts over on my Instagram feed, and now I think it's deserving of the people that support me on my Ko-Fi shop to be able to get these prompts as part of the paid package. The second part that you'll get is some items. I didn't personally draw these this time. With school starting again, I wasn't able to draw the artwork that I wanted to share. So I used Canva, and these are the ones that I thought that were connected to this month's prompt of living in the present moment. And then you'll get another file, and this is what I'm speaking of, is that you'll get these 6 journaling cards. Let me bring the camera in. Now, all these photos have been taken by me. In the first one where it says Hello February, that is a collage that I did create in Canva. So I originally put them on a canvas of 3x4 because I know there's some people in here that use A5 and larger journals, but I always like shrinking them down so they'll fit in link to my TN. This first photo I wrote a long time ago. I was in the beach in Oregon, and it spells out joy. This one says focus on the now. This is a quote from Buddha. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. This is, I believe, Lake Michigan, that the photo I took of. Be where you are, otherwise you'll miss your life. And that is by this person. I do not want to, whoops, I don't know if the camera will pick it up because it's a dark photo. There we go. I don't want to butcher the person's name. And then the last one is a quote by Walt Whitman. And this says, happiness not in another place, but in this place. Not for another hour, but this hour. And this one I took on the way home from Chicago one time. The sun was just setting over the hills. So these are the items that you'll get in this month's packet or bundle. And then really quickly, told you this is going to be a short video today. What I've done is I have put them in my journal for February already. I'm going to cut out the photos and start inserting those too. I like doing that, kind of pre-decorating my journal, so then I don't feel stressed out like, oh, what do I need to do? My word of the year. And then, here we go. I started on this page, on 2. I'm a little behind in my journaling, but that's okay. So see how I just put it up here, the next page, and there's enough of them for you to use once a week, all 4 prompts. So I just then randomly put them, and then like this one, I put it here, so maybe I will write this way. The reason this one's really decorated, if you didn't see my live when I was putting this together, February 14th is the statehood day for Arizona, where I'm from, and it's also the statehood day for Oregon, where I used to live. And Arizona is known as the sweetheart state, so that's why this says sweetheart. I just randomly put them in, and then sometimes it's like back-to-back pages, and sometimes it isn't. And then I had one extra because of February only being 28 days. I just put it on the back, and then that's it. And so when I fill it in with other stuff, I'll be able to know that I have those prompts to work with. And then also each week I'll decide which day of the week that I want to use the actual journal prompt. Thank you for watching the video today. Remember to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.